Hello
Mm.
guys, I am Rakshit from Team Let's Learn. We have Ajit here who has recently cleared his Anglo-Eastern interview. First of all, congratulations Ajit.
Thank you, bro.
Can you tell me how you cleared your Anglo-Eastern written exam?
Yeah, for my written exam, I have prepared my prepare from some PDF notes to get my base correct, and I also look for India base for MCQ questions.
Okay, so can you tell me about the strategy used for a psychometric test?
Psychometry, I have to be myself being honest.
Okay.
Yeah, then about that, I have no social anxiety like that. Problems not involved type.
Okay. And another thing is, what are the questions asked by you? So I'll start asking all the questions that I was asked by Rishi Rana sir to you. Just tell me the main
Okay.
components or overview of the answers that you give. So first
Yeah.
is about family. What and all did he include in it?
Yeah. First of all, about family, he asked about my family. Then I told that I have father, mother. Then he asked about my siblings.
Hmm.
So since I am a
And he
single child,
asked
I
your
did,
passing year,
mention.
right?
Yeah.
And
He asked me, are you pursuing a war? Are you pass out?
okay. So you are pursuing
No, no, I pass out.
pass out. Any cross questions regarding that, like why?
Yeah. What did you do all this time? He asked me.
Any cross questions regarding your final year project?
No, no questions.
Now we'll go on to the technical side. So, what are the components of centrifugal pump?
Yeah. While mentioning, I have mentioned that uh, Steiner, foot valve of Steiner, which was not the part of centrifugal pump.
Mhm.
He didn't want to hear that answer.
Yeah.
He want to know only about the centrifugal pump parts. So at the second time, I have described like this. I have suction pipe, then I have impeller, then bearings, then sealings, then volute casing of increasing volume for discharge side. Then I have told discharge valve.
Okay.
Then he asked anything else. Then I mentioned um, priming for. Then he
So,
said, okay,
yeah. So Rishirana sir like doesn't seem satisfied about the parts of centrifugal pump. Like many
no,
people
no, no.
told about it, and I think people should start researching more on that topic because, as I've heard, this parts that Ajit mentioned is not satisfactory enough for Rishirana sir. So if you can try for another some of the parts. So next we have Bernoulli's principle and application. You just told the
Yeah,
basic, right? Application,
just
what did you
basic.
tell?
I told him about the wings of the aeroplane and also the example that when the train passes, we are
Yeah,
pushing towards it.
yeah.
Yeah,
VCRS components.
yeah, it's satisfactory.
Yeah, like for all four components he mentioned.
Just mention the
Yeah,
names.
he
Yeah.
didn't tell you to draw or anything, right?
No, 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 no,
No.
no drawings and all.
Now boiler safety mountings, you just mentioned all.
Yeah, I have mentioned four of them, but
Okay.
he was not satisfied with it. He want more to hear. So I told him right now I am remembering only that much.
Then he
So he
asked
said,
about
okay,
fusible plug, right?
yeah, he's a plug
That is one of the
on the boiler.
very important question that Rishi Rana asked is about the fusible plug. Almost all people
Yeah,
who have interviewed, this is like same set of question that he follows, and fusible plug is always in them. And next we have classification of pumps.
yeah. Just mention the pumps, name of the pump.
Yeah, like
Simple.
positive rotordynamic. You explained everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Next
just
is
I mentioned the names.
yeah, uh,
No need of.
and refrigerant used nowadays.
Yeah, I told R134A, then R404A, R407A.
And
This
sometimes there
three.
is a possibility that he might ask for domestic and on-ship usage. So guys, be ready for it. And next is parts of diesel engine,
Yeah, I mentioned almost all, every parts. You are satisfied with it?
okay. Like basic general diesel engine parts you mentioned.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is working of marine turbocharger. Just tell me what and all you mentioned. That's enough.
Yeah. I firstly mentioned that there is a turbine which is connected via shaft, and on the other side is a centrifugal. and sorry, compressor. Then as the exhaust gas hits on the turbine, it starts rotating. As a result, the compressor compresses the air which is taken from the engine room. Then its pressure and temperature increases.
Yeah.
And in order to decrease the temperature, we passes it to the intercooler, which is again passed to the engine inlet. So we get the pressurized air with high density.
Yeah. Next question is hand tools used in ship. Can you tell me some of those which you mentioned?
Uh, I told him screwdriver, spanner, then axle blade, tap and die, then chisel, wedges. Yeah,
And another one of the question is how electricity is generated in alternator. He asked that, right? Or did he ask you
yeah,
how
yeah.
electricity is
He,
generated?
he, he asked me, no, no, no. Can you tell
Mm.
how electricity is generated in alternator?
In
He's
alternator, he
not
mentioned alternator.
compelling me. Yeah, yeah, alternator.
Like he was like, "Can you please?"
Yeah, yeah. If you are known, you can tell. Like that he asked.
And next is the Archimedes principle.
Yeah, it's asked before itself
Yeah.
during that principal time.
Okay, okay.
While mentioning, I
Any application he asked for Archimedes?
no, no. Only applications is asked for Bernoulli.
Okay, so that's all for his interview. Can you tell you how
Yeah,
you prepared for your interview? What materials you referred?
yeah. Mostly all the notes which is given by lesson group and the videos given by them. All of them.
Any
All the videos and
specific
notes.
videos you want to mention?
No, no, no. Every video is done by Jan,
All
Mer,
technical
Ajit.
discussions.
All are.
Yeah, and
Yeah, yeah. All have been.
Jan's two videos, VCRS.
Yeah.
Okay. Any tips you would like to
Each
give
each
for?
video each video gives us different kinds of knowledge. New knowledges are giving every technical discussions.
Any tips that you would like to give for upcoming aspirants?
Yeah, just follow whatever they say, you will achieve it.
Yeah.
Just want to give some dedication.
And you also gave a mock interview, right? With whom?
It's with Shay,
Yeah. So
Shay or
did the
Akash.
mock interview benefit in any way?
Yeah, it gives me some confidence
Yeah.
uh, to gain my confidence, and also have helped me to how to say the sentences properly, how to make the answer perfect.
So what's your opinion on this Let's Learn community that we have and the YouTube channel that we have?
It's the reason behind why I got selected,
Yeah.
and or like you, I hope so.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for our interview experience. I wish you very well for your induction psychometric and for the medical test also. Hope you pass it. Okay, thank you,
Thank
Ajit.
you, brother.